Okay, children. So we will practice some activities on the topics up to now what we have discussed. So the first activity is write the missing numbers. So children, look at the picture. We are observing a table and some numbers are given in the table and some numbers are missed in the table. Now we have to write the missing numbers in the table. So the first number 1 is given. The number that comes after 1 is 2. So we have to write the number 2 in the blank. And the next number 3 is given. So that number that comes after 3 is 4. And the next number that comes after 4 is 5. So write the 5 in the blank. The next number that comes after 6 is 7. So write the 7 in the blank. And after 7 we will get 8. So write 8 in the given blank. So after 9 we will get 10. So write the number after 10. So after 10 the number is 11. And the number that comes after 11 is 12, which is already given in the table. And after 12 the number will be 13. So write the number 13. And the number that comes after 13 is 14. So write the number 14 there. So after 14 the next number will be 15. So 15 is already given in the table. So after 15 the next number will be 16. And after 16 the number will be 17, already given. So the number that comes after 17 is 18. So write 18 there. So the number that comes after 18 is 19. So this is the number 19. And the number that comes after 19 is 20. So children, so this is the way of writing missing numbers in the given table. So let us enter the next activity. So count and match. So children, we are observing some set of pictures on the left side and some number names on the right side. So we have to count the number of objects in each set and match with its corresponding number name. So children, so let us see the first set of pictures. We are observing some pictures in the set. So let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So children, there are 7 pens in the given set. So match these pens with the word 7. So let us find where the word 7. So here the last word 7. So match the pens with the word 7. So children, observe the second set. So the second set has balls are there. So how many balls? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are total 5 balls in the second set. And we have to match these 5 balls with the number name 5. So here is the number name 5. So match the balls with the number name 5. So observe the third set of pictures. We are observing some books. So let us count the number of books in the third set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So children, there are 15 books are there in the third set. So match these books with the number name 15. So let us find where the word 15 on the right side. So here is the word 15. So match the books with the word 15. So children, observe the last set of pictures. We are observing some flowers in there. So let us count the number of flowers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So children, there are total 11 flowers are there. So match these flowers with the word 11. So here is the word 11. So match the flowers with the number name 11. So children, this is the way how to match the given objects with their corresponding number names. So let us enter the next activity. So comparing numbers. This worksheet is based on comparing numbers. So that's why we have to put greater than or less than or is equal to symbol between given two numbers. So children, see the first two numbers. The first number is 14 and the second number is also 14. That means both numbers are same. If the both numbers are same, then we have to put the symbol is equal to. So put the symbol is equal to in the box. So children, see the second pair of numbers. So in the second pair, the first number is 8 and the second number is 13. So here 8 is smallest number and 13 is biggest number. So here the first number 8 is smaller, so put the symbol less than. So if the first number is a smaller number, then we have to put less than symbol. So children, see the next pair of numbers. So the first number is 9 and the second number is 5. Here 9 is the greatest number, 5 is smallest number. Here the first number 9 is the greatest number, so we have to put the symbol greater than. Greater than. So this is the way how to compare the given numbers by putting symbols less than, greater than and is equal to. So children, see the next activity on the comparison of numbers. So here circle the biggest number. So see the first set of numbers. So there are 5 numbers are given in the first set, that is 10, 2, 15, 3, 9. Now we have to circle the biggest number among these 5 numbers. So the biggest number is 15. So children, see the next set of numbers. Here we have to circle the smallest number in the given set of numbers. So here also they are given 5 numbers in the set, that is 4, 11, 5, 14, 6. So here the smallest number is 4. So circle the number 4. So write the ordinal numbers. So write the ordinal numbers. Here the number is given 2. So the ordinal number for the 2 is second. So write the word second. And observe the second cardinal number 4. The ordinal number for the 4 is fourth. So F-O-U-R-T-H, fourth. So children, see the next cardinal number is 9. We have to write the ordinal number for the given cardinal number 9. So the ordinal number for 9 is ninth. N-I-N-E-T-H, ninth. So see the last one, 7. The ordinal number for 7 is, so its position will 7th. So S-E-V-E-N-T-H, 7th. So these are the ordinal numbers for the given numbers. So children, so this is about the chapter numbers up to 20. So children, practice the problems which are given as your homework. Okay, thank you.